So our lesson objective is I can solve exponential equations. All right, steps to solve exponential equations. So the first step is to rewrite the equation using a common base. The second step is to use properties of exponents to simplify each side of the equation. Then you have to use the one-to-one property that says if b to the x equals b to the y, then x equals y. And then the fourth step is just to solve. So here we have practice with a common base. So when this happens, again, all you do is just get rid of the base and you have your exponents set equal to each other. So you have 2x minus 9 equals 7. Add 9 to both sides, you get 2x equals 16. Divide both sides by 2, you get x equals 8. The next one, same story. We're going to cancel out the e's. We get 4w minus 1 equals 5 minus 2w. Now we get 6w equals 6. Divide both sides by 6. We get w equals 1. Here we have 5 to the c minus 1 power times 5 times c. Wow, 5 to the c. Oh my goodness. 5 to the 3c plus 2 power equals 5 to the 7c plus 16 power. So remember, to combine these, we're going to do 5, and it's going to be c minus 1 plus 3c plus 2. And that's going to equal 5 to the 7c plus 16. These will cancel. We'll have c minus 1 plus 3c plus 2 equals 7c plus 16. Then we'll have 4c plus 1 equals 7c plus 16. Now we're going to minus 16 from both sides, and we're going to minus 4c from both sides. We'll get negative 15 equals negative 3c. Divide both sides by negative 3. We get c equals positive 5. Then we have 8 to the I am not good at saying these exponents, so I'm not going to. But I'm going to add them together in the next step. So we get 8 to the k squared plus k plus 2k minus 9 equals 8 to the 4k plus 11. So we can simplify this to 8 to the k squared plus 3k minus 9 equals 8 to the 4k plus 11. We cancel out the 8s. We have k squared plus 3k minus 9 equals 4k plus 11. Now we can minus 4k and 11 from both sides. We get k squared minus k minus 20 equals 0. We need to think of two numbers now that add to negative 1 and multiply to negative 20, so it's going to be k minus 5 and then k plus 4. So our two answers are k equals 5 or k equals negative 4. Here we have 9 to the 4y minus 26 equals 81. So 81 is the same as 9 to the second power. Now we can cancel out the 9s and we're left with 4y minus 26 equals 2. We get 4y equals 28. Divide both sides by 4. We get y equals 7. Here we have 1 over 64 equals 4 to the a squared minus 4 power. So 1 over 64 is technically 4 to the negative 4 power. And that's going to equal 4a squared minus 4 to the a squared minus 4. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's actually 4 to the negative 3 power. So then we can cancel out the 4s. We get negative 3 equals a squared minus 4. So then we get a squared minus 4 equals negative 3. Add 4 to both sides. A squared equals 1. You take the square root of both sides. A is either 1 or a is negative 1. Now we have 2 to the m minus 9 equals 32 to the m plus 3. 32 is the same as 2 to the 4th power. Sorry, 2 to the 5th. I don't know why I keep messing this up. So we have 2 to the m minus 9 equals 2. And then it's going to be 5 times the m plus 3. Because really this is like in its own parentheses. And if we had it like this, it's really the same as 2 to the 5 times m plus 3 like this. So then this becomes 2 to the m minus 9 equals 2 to the 5m plus 15. 2's cancel. We get m minus 9 equals 5m plus 15. We're going to minus m from both sides, minus 15 from both sides. We get 4m equals negative 24. So then our final answer is m equals negative 6. Here we get 8 to the 2 minus v power equals 128 to the v plus 3 power. So in this case, 8 is really 2 to the 3rd power. 128 is 2 to the 7th power. So we're going to rewrite this as 2 to the 3rd power to the 2 minus v, and that's going to equal 2 to the 7th power to the v plus 3, which will be 2 to the 3 times 2 minus v equals 2 to the 7th times v plus 3. So we get 2 to the 6 minus 3v equals 2 to the 7v plus 21. So we get 6 minus 3v equals 7v plus 21. We get negative 25 equals... Sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. Negative 15. I'm trying to do this before I have to go somewhere. That's what I'm trying to do. Equals 10v. Divide both sides by 10. We get v equals negative 3/2. Here we have 9 to the negative p equals 243 to the 2p plus 6. So 9 is the same as 3 to the 2nd to the negative p equals 3 to the 5th to the 2p plus 6. So then this will be 3 to the negative 2p equals 3 to the 10p plus 30. The 3's cancel. We get negative 2p equals 10p plus 30 minus 10p from both sides. We get negative 12p equals 30. So p can be negative 5/2. After this lesson, you can solve exponential equations.